Oh my god. My hair is so messy. Look at all of this. Please forget about that. Thank you so much for stopping by. I love you. Hey lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by, and for those of you watching my video for the very first time, thank you. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, click on the post notification bell so that each time I upload a video you will be the first to get notified. So today, as you all can see, we have this creamy hair deep conditioner, and I'm just going to show you guys how this is being done. Please keep watching. So the first ingredient on the list is banana. So we have here an overripe banana, and I'm going to use the bottom section. As we can see, the bottom section is soft. You're really soft, so that's the section I'm using. We have seamoss. If you guys don't know, this is originated from Ireland and it's called Irish seamoss. It's very good. So I actually left it overnight in water, and then you see it becomes soft. Before that it's hard, so I let it stay in water overnight so it becomes soft. Seamoss is very rich. It's a very rich superfood, and it's also beneficial to the health. You can use it also for salad, and it's very good for the hair, for moisture and growth. So if you're interested in seamoss, you can try it out. So apart from seamoss and banana, we also have oatmeal and orange peels, and these are actually the ingredients needed for this deep conditioning mask. All right guys, so just go ahead, get your orange peels, put them in your blender, pour some water and blend till it's really smooth. You know how hard orange peels can be. Okay, now guys, I'm starting with the orange peels because I actually want the orange peels to be well blended. You know, mixing everything will not actually get the orange peels well blended. Since it's a peel, it needs to be well blended. So I just use my initiatives to blend the orange peels first so it's well blended and smooth. Then I went ahead and added the banana and then continued with the blending. Okay, now we add our seamoss. Seamoss is the last thing because seamoss actually, once it's soft, it's so soft. You see how creamy it is? There was no problem, it just blends easily. And then went ahead and added my oatmeal powder. This was actually oatmeal. Then I just blended it with my machine, and then add some water and then blend till you have a smooth paste like what we have here. And you can see that the orange peels can still be found inside. Now we need a cheesecloth to sieve it, to separate it, so we have a smooth and clear consistency. So we have a smooth and clear consistency of the cream. So now we just go ahead and extract it using a cheesecloth. I don't know, you can, if you need a cheesecloth, you can get it on Amazon, or you can get satin socks. So guys, that's it. It's very easy if you use satin socks also, or you use cheesecloth. Now I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys and apply this on my head. Keep watching. So guys, now we are just going to go ahead and apply it on the hair. So guys, please, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, click on the post notification bell subscribe to my channel, click on the post notification bell so that each time I upload a video, you will be the first to get notified. Oh my god, my hair is so messy. Look at all of this. Please forget about that. Thank you so much for stopping by. I love you all. See you in my next video. Bye.